Did you know a royal wedding was designed to end a religious war, but instead became the deadliest trap in French history? It was August 1572. France had been tearing itself apart for years. Catholics against Protestants, called Huguenots, in a brutal cycle of war and revenge. So the royal court offered peace. Protestant Henry of Navarre would marry Catholic Princess Margaret of Valois, a union meant to heal the country. Huguenot leaders believed it. Thousands of them travelled to Paris for the celebrations. The most powerful Protestant figures in France all gathered in one city. That was exactly the plan. On August 24th, the bells of Saint-Germain-l'Auxerrois rang out. It was the signal. Royal guards moved first, then Catholic mobs followed. By morning, the streets of Paris were filled with bodies. The killing spread across France. Estimates range from 5,000 to 30,000 dead in the weeks that followed. The wedding had not been a peace offering. It had been an invitation. The safest place in France became the most dangerous one overnight.